Do you want to look back at stories from your past on Facebook but don't know how? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily access and view old stories that have been shared over time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner to go to your Facebook profile. After that, tap on these three little dots next to the Edit Profile button. And then tap Archive. So now what you want to do next is tap the Story Archive button over here. Once you are on this page, you'll be able to see all of your old stories that you've posted in the past. You can tap on any one of these stories to view it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.